Whatever the case may be, I hope to make it better here. Coin flip with
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
1,336 round winners. I was so expecting to get that 50, but not yet. Not yet. Blame the mod. How about not blaming anyone? It is your own decision to gamble. You need to be responsible about that and get that responsibility to yourself. It's not up to me or the mods. Okay, and you guys, are you ready for the bonus round with its top slots? Well, I hope you are, because we got a little something.
Welcome everyone to our beautiful Crazy Time bonus round. It is not a random one. We brought a little something from above. And that is 7X from the top slot. So let's put that 7X on the wheel and let's make the wheel shine bright like a diamond. Alright, so now it is time to pick the flopper. We got 3 options. We got the green, the blue, the yellow one. Please pick yours. If you don't want to pick, you can leave that too. It's a pick option. No matter what, you will get something anyways. So, good luck, y'all. 700, the highest one. Come on. Woo! Look at that, we got double for the blue. So let's double everything one more time. And the highest one is gonna be 4-digit now. 1,400. Let's get it. Woo! Another double, let's double again. Wow, you guys, the highest one now, 2,800. I would like to get it one. Come on! 420 for the blue, 105 for green, and 140 for the yellow. 1,675 round winners.
Yeah, no, Pikachu, it really confuses me. 10 with the 3x multiplier. Like saying I'm a bad spinner. I don't understand it, you guys. How can you be a bad spinner? Chinko! You're a bad spinner if the wheel doesn't spin when you spin it. You know what I mean? It spins. You can't be good at spinning. I don't know. I don't know what y'all guys are on about. Okay, 3x, 5x, 7x. Why was there 3x twice? 2,200 and a double. Okay, I'm quite nervous to see where that stops. The double and 200. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, right over double and 200. That's what I like to see. Okay. You guys, good luck, good luck, good luck. We can do this. Double or 200. Give it to us. Come on, keep it going. To the right, to the right. To the left, to the right. You guys, 200x multiplier for this right now for Chinko. 10,295 winners. Got your top 137,000 euro win. Please place your bets. Let's get right back into it. Haha, love to see it. Okay, gotta keep it going. So happy. Yes, thank you, Pacheco. You're the best. Crazy time with the 3x multiplier.
Yeah, 200 to 1, correct? Yes! Yoo-hoo! You love a 10? 10 out of 10? Well, how about a 200 out of 10? Woohoo! Hey, yo, what the Sigma? That's a Gucci hit! So what are we looking at here? Mwah. A Guga Stakes, 12,000 winners with 60 grand being top prize. Woo! Oh, I did nothing. Top Slots was responsible for that mega 10 hit. Wow! Actually, I've also noticed if Top Slots hits a 10, it frequently actually, the wheel stops on it too, actually. I don't know how. That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! Look at that. Double the coin flip too, don't mind if I do. Better 10, that's fun. It went to 200 times at least, so that's pretty great. Number one, congratulations.
We all have our preferences, you know? It's all good, right? Let's see. So yeah, I'm telling you, it's totally normal. Like, do you think that, for example, women, crazy time with Forex multiplier, in general, I think they... you know, do like somebody who is like their age or a little bit older. But once again, that's like really based on your preference. Come on. Yes! Woo-hoo! Great, guys. Crazy time with a Forex multi. Yes, we did it. Ow! Like Michael Jackson said. Come on, everybody. Okay, we did it, guys. Great. Okay, guys, so you see this initial wheel. Let's put that 4x multi or quadruple every single multiplier there is on the wheel. Woo! Okay, I know, guys, now it's gonna be the toughest decision of them all. Which color? Oh boy, which color? Green, blue, yellow, blue, green. Of course, auto picker could pick it for you if you're not really sure about your own decision, but okay, guys. I'm crossing my fingers for you. Highest multi is 400x. Woo! Good luck, everybody. Ooh, okay, guys, so 60 for green, 80 for blue, and doubles. Woo-hoo-hoo! For that beautiful yellow. Okay, it was all yellow. Forget about 400x multi. 800x is the highest one. Woo! Good luck! Another double! What? Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, guys, forget about 400x, forget about 800x, 1,600x! Good luck! Okay, guys, 400x for a beautiful yellow. Yes!
Also in there. What more do you need? Smooth is made. Best luck now, guys. Let's see. 7x on cash end as well. I certainly wouldn't mind see some of those top slots. In fact, we got it. Cash end with a 7x multiplier. Sheesh. Guys, welcome. This is going to be a big cash end here. All these multipliers, right? They're going to be like, you know, all nice and fed. 100x going to become a... Wait for it. Bam, 700x. Now we're talking. All right, look at all those 700, 175, some, what was it, like 350s on the wall as well. Hope you guys didn't miss this cash, and what a nice way to start off the session here so early on. All right, see then. Well, the wall is yours, man. The wall is yours. Feel free to choose your favorite symbol, guys. Whatever is looking the most delicious for you, perhaps. What do you think? If I was playing right now, Maybe I would go with like a little cupcake. You know, could use a little desserts. 70x under the cupcake. There's the 700 there. Congratulations to all the winners. 81 of you guys, especially you absolute legends, caught that 700x. Over 12,000 winners. KMC, Fab, Argon, and of course everyone else. Nicely done, guys. Let's continue here. Here we go. Got a 175. Not bad, not bad. There were like a lot of 175s on that wall as well, right? Spoot is made. Best of luck. Excuse me. Let's see what.
And yeah, if you can hit something on the side, just do that. Do trades. That's it. And for the most part, if I'm doing it that way, I'm hitting first and second place consistently. But it's boring. I kind of love, you know what I like to do usually? I like to grab different emblems and mix and match different characters and go for maybe for weird wacky items or something. You know. Hey, yo, what the Sigma? That's the 7x cash hunt. I wasn't even paying attention. Yo! Hey, 7x, bro. Hey, but seriously, I wasn't paying attention. Hey, see what happened? That's like that, host curse thingy, basically. 700x is gonna be the top prize. See those? They're looking great. But it's like this host curse. Where basically, as long as the host is not paying attention, it's bound to happen. If I pay attention, no. If I'm paying attention, it's not gonna happen. If I'm paying attention, if I'm not paying attention, you get what I mean. Probably it's the host curse. Ideally, you want to distract me so much that I do not notice what's happening with the game. Then you're gonna get your big wins. Pikachu, 700x on the wall, by the way. So yeah, and there's a lot of them. The rabbits, I think there were a lot of different symbols, but yeah, I personally would just try to hit the birds or the cupcakes. Those are my favorite. I picked my target. Have you picked your target? If you don't, it's gonna be automatic random. Oh, I have got 70 times. That's what I get. So what do we have here? A couple of
19 winners out of 5. Top 50s go to Garden, Mavi, and Joey. Top 50 more than 5,500 euros in the betting time, so you can place those bets again there. Let's go. Rio saying you're so handsome and you are so nice and amazing. How's your day, Rio? Benny saying thank you. Thank you for being here. And thank you for complimenting my sunglasses, which are regular glasses. Oh my, cash on 15x on the top slot. Is there any possibility of catching it? To be honest, it will be close. Hop over, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Cash out with a 15x, no way. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, bring some W's in the chat. Cash out with a 15x. No way this is happening. Woo! Oh, there's going to be 75x, 150x wall. This is so fire. Just look at that. Look at that, everybody. No way. Top multiplier 1,500x. Let's go, everybody. 1,125x, 750x multipliers are there. Ladies and gentlemen, we can all sing the song. This is so beautiful to me. Can't you see? There is a cash hunt right now with 1,500x. That is so beautiful to me. Let's go. Pick your symbols. Use the auto pick if you want. Just catch the big, beautiful multipliers. I'm always going for the bird. Bird looking at a bunny is mine. 300x. That's beautiful. 1,500x was there. Congratulations to the winners. 1,500x for 46 you. 169 you with a second highest multiplier. 5,892 winners. Somebody's Garden, Mavi, and 8B12. Topping you more than 58,700 euros. What is that multiplier? Woo! That was fantastic. Sheesh, let's go.
Let's go. Let's do this. Bum, ba-dum, ba-bum, bum. But yes, how's everyone's Friday going? How is your energy, your mood going into the weekend? Whatever the case may be, I hope to make it better here. Coin flip with a 25x multiplier. Give it to us. Slow right down right now. Stop. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, do you see what I see? Coin flip with a crazy 25x multiplier. Now, this is what I'm talking about. As nice as that 9x was, you won't be seeing any 9x's up here. if I'm not mistaken, because I'm not great at math. Okay, 25X on blue, 3X on red, but that's not all. 75X or 625X. Give us the blue for the love of everything. Ah! It's a blue with a 625X multiplier. You guys. Sorry, this is so exciting. 7,507 win. It's IRS. You're topping at 37,500 euro win. Please place your bet. 625X multiplier on coin flip. That is the highest multiplier I've ever seen in coin flip. Not even gotten on coin flip, just seen on the screen there. You guys, I told you we'll make it good.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.